first saw you, standing under the coconut trees. Soft breeze blowing, your smile was like the sun, warming my heart, everything felt different. I stayed quiet, couldn't even speak, because my heart was racing just seeing you. Your eyes shining like the stars, captured my heart and won't let go. My friends told me go talk to her, but I was shy, a little scared. I didn't know if you felt the same, but my heart kept saying, don't let her slip away. About you, in my dreams we're together, walking by the ocean on soft sand, hand in hand, my heart feels open. You show me your smile, my heart races, I lose control. Your gentle words feel like a song, filling my heart with love I can't explain. I'm starting to feel crazy, this love is too strong, I can't control it. My heart keeps telling me, this girl, she's the one for you. Because happiness took over everything, that's when I knew this was real love, not just a feeling. Two hearts became one, a love that can never be I've fallen deeply in love with you. My heart is confused, I don't understand it. Like the night wind, it just flows. Baby, my heart is crazy in love with you. The only one I see now. We are together. You're the only one in my heart forever. Ooh, yeah, only you. From the beginning to the end. DJ, let me